Greetings from NeuronThemes. In order to ensure trust among your customers, a great concept can be showing statements of merit by your previous customers. We present to you the Testimonial Carousel Element, a robust and capable element with many customization possibilities. Let's get into it. Here, we have created a beautiful homepage for a travel website. We want to add some client testimonials. To do that, let's open the floor for our main element. We will add a section. Let's configure it. From the Advanced tab, we'll add some bottom padding values. We will drag a heading element to introduce our section. As per usual, some styling options will need to be taken. Lastly, let's go to the Advanced tab and add some bottom padding values to give our header some room to breathe. Now we will drag the Testimonial Carousel element. From the Content tab, you have here two sections that will each correspond to their respective settings. First, we have the slides, where you have the option to add slide items and present your customer reviews. Let's click on the first slide. You will notice the various settings here. First, we have the content. Here we will share the words of our client, and then you have the option to add an image. Show the name as well as the title. To speeden up the process, we will delete the other slides and we will duplicate the first slide. Now, all we have to do is change the content, and you'll be done. You can repeat the same steps and add as many slides as you wish. Once you're done setting up the items, move on to the options for the layout. You can set it as image inline, image stacked, above, left, or right. We will go with image stacked. You can set how many slides you want per view, as well as how many slides you wish the user to scroll. Align the testimonial either left, center, or right, all depending on your design really. Set the width for the testimonial either in pixels or percentage. From the slider settings, you will have unlocked other small yet crucial options to set your testimonials apart. You can select a style for the navigation to either be dots, arrow, or a combination of both. You can choose to enable or disable the loop, meaning your slides will be transitioned infinitely. You can set to pause the slide on hover. Switch the handle on for autoplay to have your slides be automatically displayed one by one. Set the speed for the autoplay. Set an animation for the testimonials. You can select a transition to either be slide or fade. Set the speed for the transition as well as control the space between the slides. Lastly, you have the overflow. This will have the slides be visible on both sides or select from left or right. After being done with the utilitarian side of the element, let's go and design it to have it look more lovely. From the Style tab, you can configure all the elements of the Testimonial Carousel. Set a background color or add a border for the testimonials. Next, you have the Content section, where you can set the gap between the text and the image. You can change the text color as well as tweak the typography options for each element individually. We will configure the image. Here you can arrange the size of the image, the border size if you choose to have one, choose a border type, select a border radius and the border color. Let's configure the navigation settings. You can choose a style for the navigation. You can have them to be vertically or horizontally oriented. You can set the size for the navigation, also set the space between each navigation element. You can position the navigation to be placed anywhere you want on the page. Simply click on this edit icon here, and more options will be unlocked. Style the navigation as per your desire by choosing a background color, border, width, color, border radius, and more. Lastly, we have the quotes. If you wish to show quotes on your testimonials, simply switch the handle on. You see, there's a lot of options that will let you configure and adjust every aspect of the element, giving you a great-looking design of the testimonials paired with high functionality. You can design outstanding testimonials with the powerful tools you have at your disposal. This concludes our video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more guides and tutorials like this one.